Okay, I again started the recording, and this time hi again. We messed up the
Hello.
last recording. So we'll recap and we'll continue. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Utkarsh, you will do
Okay.
the recap this time. Okay.
Okay. So we asked Chat GPT few questions, which we'll show you in the Chat GPT chat. So in the starting, uh, it mentioned that we will start with the purpose. What is the purpose of creating an API? So can we go to that board again? That
Yeah,
window.
this is our purpose.
Yeah.
So we'll
So
create. Yeah,
thought to create a very simple API. So we chose to maintain a record of student in a class. So this is what we thought to create a API, and these are the endpoints: register a new student, update and student data, delete. It's a CURD operation generally.
yeah, CRUD.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is generally used in database, I
Yeah,
think. Yeah.
yeah, CRUD. Yeah, so these are the API endpoints. Uh, this will basically get all the students. This will get the students with particular ID.
Yep.
I'm choosing different color. My mistake. Yeah. This is the post endpoint which will create student.
Yep.
Will send all the student data in the request body.
Oh, yeah.
But this is how we'll update the student.
So let's explain them the URL also. I
Yeah,
think
yeah, sure.
we so the first part, so local host and 300. So local host was what? I think endpoint
Localhost is yeah, it's so in the URL we can either write the domain name or the IP.
or IP,
So
and 3000 is the
127
port name, port
dot
number.
yeah, yeah, this is our localhost. So you can write the at 127.0.0.1 or you can write localhost. It will mean the same thing. Yeah, continue.
And colon, this is the port at which we will creating the API. By default 3000 or 8080 is the local port number,
Yeah,
and slash, that is the query which we are passing it. uh, by the question key symbol, we are trying to query over this endpoint. So suppose there is a student and we want to query with a unique ID of that student, so we can use this localhost colon 3000 slash get student question mark
yeah.
ID is equal to ID. Yep.
Okay, great.
So moving to next, I think these the URLs are similar. We are just creating different endpoints like gets all student, create student, sorry, delete student. So these are the endpoints. So main thing will the difference it will create on the implementation at the code side. Yep.
Yeah, okay. So we had just started with with yeah, writing the code.
Let's show them the how
Yeah, okay.
many lines ChatGPT
Yeah.
has.
So we just started it to create a normal server. So this is what it created. This
Yeah.
is so it's importing HTTP module.
Mm-hmm.
Create server is one of the method in this module, which
Mm-hmm.
takes a callback function. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, which gets executed every time it
Mm-hmm.
gets a request.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so request writer, yeah, it will send hello world in the response.
Yep.
Okay, and yeah, this is the head. I mean, it's creating a response head here, and this is where it sends. Okay, and this is where we are starting the server. It also accepts a callback, which gets
Mm-hmm.
executed when a server is created.
Mm-hmm. And we are assigning it at 3000. It can
Yeah,
we can assign it at
so this is the
whatever
port number.
available port
Yeah,
is
this
the.
is the port number. So let's
These are the syntax.
node
Uh,
node server.js. So it says server is running at 3000, right? So let's try it. Localhost 3000 and it says hello world. So if we look at, let me just zoom in. Yeah, let's look at the network tab
Network tab.
and let me reload. Okay, so I don't think it's very, yeah, now I think it's,
No, it's clear.
yeah. So this was the request URL.
Mm-hmm.
This was the request method.
Mm-hmm.
Status code.
It's 200, which we
Yeah,
mentioned in the code also.
yeah, yeah. Okay, and connection type. So I think it was set default.
Yep.
Actually, this is the request, right? That was general. I don't know what. Okay, this was the request header. It accepts these things. The server accepts, I think so. Whatever.
Coding, so some
Yeah,
terms are alien to us. We don't know. We are
yeah.
still figuring out.
This is a response. In the response, it just sends hello world. Okay, so this was it, the basic one. But we won't be using the normal ones. We'll use Express.js. So Express.js is a framework.
Yep.
Yeah. So we have already installed Express. Uh, okay. This is how we'll, yeah, copy code. Let's first see what is the code. Yeah. So it's first importing Express module. It's just
Mm-hmm.
executing Express, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, this will tell us what is it doing. Install Express, yeah, that's okay. The command will download and install. Okay. Create a main application file. Okay, we have created our server.js. Write our Express.js code, which we have done. Yeah, we have copy pasted this one. So in this example, we import Express module, create Express module, we have imported, create an Express application instance. So yeah, this is creating an Express application instance. Define a route for the root URL. This is where we are defining
Mm-hmm.
route for root URL, which
Mm-hmm.
so also accepts a callback as a
Mm-hmm.
parameter. Set response send hello world express. So in the rest.send that how it sends. App.listen. So it takes a port number, and finally we serve and listen. Yeah, we start listening to the port, and this is the callback function. Quite similar. Uh,
I do have one question.
yeah, yeah.
Like, what was the earlier code doing? It was the same thing, but
Very similar
i-
thing. Yeah,
but
but
how it is different now? Like,
so
it's
this
using
was the earlier.
Express framework,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and Node.js is already having the Express features. If we do not use Express, then Node.js.
No, not like that. So it had the node by default has HTTP module. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we were using previously we were using HTTP module, and this time we are. I mean, how do we do? Control
Why?
Z. Yeah. Uh, yes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh,
No
it
worries.
does
We
not do Control Y. It does. What is a command?
This is Mac, right?
Yeah, Mac. How to CTRLYN
Mac.
and Mac. Command Y.
I
No,
think
no.
Control.
Control Z will undo. Okay, How to redo in Mac? Redo in Mac.
Redo.
Control Shift, Control Shift Z. God damn it. No, I don't know, man. Let's
Let's
yeah,
no,
create only
we can copy paste again from.
server.js. Yeah, yeah. So last time we were using HTTP module. So HTTP module comes handy, like built-in module in
Mhm.
the node.
Mhm.
This time we are using Express framework.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
it's importing Express module now.
Mhm.
Yeah, I understand you also saw a
So
lesson in that one, and then
so
s-
basically, if we do not install Express,
hmm.
Node.js will handle all. Like if we want to create an API, we do not require Express.js, right? It will handle. It has all the features to handle the situation, right?
Yes, it does, but we have to write a lot of code in that one.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
same as JS and React, right?
yeah, kind of. React is a framework, JavaScript is a
Express is also a framework.
language. Yeah,
Okay, got
yeah,
it. Now I can connect.
yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. So it also created an endpoint like slash. So we come here. Actually, you have to. How do we exit? Yeah, and we'll do node server. It's again started listening to 3000.
Mm-hmm.
This is the port.
Hello
And we
Express.
come here and we say localhost 3000.
Hello
It
Express.
says hello express. Nice, simple, clean.
Nice, cool.
Yeah, we can look at this one, the header. Yeah. Hey, did we check this before?
Which one?
Yeah, okay, let's see this in the network tab.
Yeah, we checked for the Node.js,
So
but
this is the
not for.
request headers. Yeah, request headers. You guys can check out the host and the other things. This is the response that we got as a text. Yeah, you can see the preview here. Yeah. Now, let's continue with what you are doing. Uh, yeah. Now the tough part begins. So, let's create a post one. So it says like I'm assuming it's okay app.get. That's how we create
Slash
get method. So
slash
it should also
post
yeah, yeah.
create student, and we need to
Create
write.
a post method in Express. Even though I don't think I asked a correct question, but I'm expecting a correct response. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So that's how we accept post requests.
Mm-hmm. What's the
So
body?
this is the endpoint in the request and what it will send as a response. In the
Mm-hmm.
request, we are expecting that they will send us name or email. If it does not, then we'll have to handle the error. Otherwise, respond with success. Yeah, validation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's take this one only. So in slash, let's say not hello. Hello. What was the school we said? No, we cannot use that for copyright strike. Yeah, we'll use our names only. Utkarsh, Deepak, school. Okay,
Cool.
yeah. Let's move this into bottom. Yeah. So slash. So what did we discuss? We'll do. We'll
Create
just
a
use creative.
student.
Yeah. Okay, in the request, in the response. Okay, so, oh yeah, we did not discuss what the bodies will look like
Hmm.
for the cat. Okay, let's do this. Uh, what time? It's not very handy. Let's not do it here. We'll do it in. Now it's time to enter Sublime Text. Sorry about this. Yep. Also, we need. Yeah. You guys can. You. All of you can see it
Yep.
properly. I hope
Yep.
so.
It's visible.
Yep. I think it's way too visible. Yeah, this should be good. So we'll take name as some name. Yeah. We'll take what? What else?
Name,
So, yeah, date of birth. Or let's use
name,
something like
gender,
first name.
class.
First name. No, we'll keep it simple. No.
Okay, first name, last name.
Name. No, first name, last name. Name. DOB. Okay.
Uh,
Oh, do you already have an access to this?
no, I don't.
Okay, I'll just stop sharing for a second so you can take access. Share. I just stopped sharing, nothing else. And I'm sharing with you right now. No, no, it's okay. It's okay, we'll cut out the. Only once you join, I can do something. Yeah, I do see your name. Yeah, you can type. Okay, so let's resume again. Uh, where did our picture go? Oh no.
Did you miss anything?
I hope not. I wanted to move this and
Okay,
move it. No. Yeah, yeah, I can do this. Yes.
you can make the screen a little bit small, I think.
Oh no. Okay, never mind. You know what? Let Let's just keep it over here. Happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both can see ourselves at least. Yeah. Okay, cool. This is the perfect development environment. Name, date of birth. Uh, what do we want? Fa Father. We want right
Ah,
name. Father, mother, and
class, in which class the student is.
okay, let's say class. Class. Yeah. Okay, fine. Actually, we can say class teacher.
That then there is a bunch of information we can add.
No, that's for now. Okay, that's what you're expecting. So let's do this name. Yeah, let's keep the email and phone number, date of birth, father, mother.
I think we should limit it because we need to type those many things.
Okay,
At
this
two or
one's
three attributes will be fine, right?
forget about father, mother.
One numeric value and one string
Class
value,
teacher.
something.
Yeah, this should be good.
Yeah,
It's an orphan. Okay, cool, fine.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now, let's see what happens here. Console.log, name, email, phone number, date of birth,
Class
class
teacher.
teacher. Hello. Okay, it's just something that I usually use to. I don't know. Okay, we'll also use Postman. So for one more time, I'll just stop sharing my screen and configure Postman, which I forgot to configure. Yeah, basically just वो रिक्वेस्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्स वगैरह हाँ मोस्टली एपीआईज के लिए ओके नो so let me start screen sharing again. Yep. So we'll first see what it does when we use 3000 and send. Okay, in the response we get a plain text. We can also see. Yep. Raw. Okay. Now we'll try something like this one. Create student. Yeah. And this was a post. Okay, let's see what happens when we send as a get. And just send us error. Cannot find this endpoint, which is true. Now let's say that we do this and send. It says cannot find anything.
Did we compile? Do we need to recompile?
No. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. Right. That's right. You're right. We did not put a watcher on this. So
Oh, what is a voucher?
watcher is so every time you make changes in
Hmm.
your
Oh, it will automatically save and
yeah
rerun the
rerun
server.
the server. That's right. That's right.
Okay.
We forgot to do that. So let's try the get again and say it says yeah. We do post. So
Oh, cool.
it says there's a typer. Cannot destructure property.
We didn't give anything, right? Or what happened? Dot body. Didn't give anything. That is the reason.
Not sure, man. Let's see what is this.
Didn't
Cannot
restructure.
restructure property name. Oh, it's too short, right? Let me try to. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. This is the best I think I can do for now. Yeah. We don't have request body as it is defined. Let's try this then. Let's see. that there's a name parameter. It's not a parameter, it's in the body, actually.
But how will we send versus
As a form data
URL?
in the URL, we'll see later.
Okay.
First, let's say we give name, Deepak, description, which I do not bother. What is the other thing?
Phone number.
Email.
We need to give in a sequence, all right? Or no, no, we do not need a sequence, right? Because we are giving a key.
Yeah. Let's see what does it do now. Responders. Oh, it throw. Okay, we can also see it here. As
Body
it
as
is
it is
undefined.
undefined.
So I think we are doing something really wrong. Let's first only print what actually is. So this is what I usually do. If I don't know what is what something, I'll just console log it to see what is request. Yeah, exactly. We really need a watcher. Chalky. So save dev means it will add as a developer dependency. Okay.
And Chowkidar is a dependency.
Uh, Pesto, which I'll show you in package.json. Say this is the dependency
Mm-hmm.
and this is the development dependency, which is like required for development purposes.
Yeah,
Okay. So when we build our project, so these things won't be built with it.
there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Now how do we start it? Okay. Yeah. It says yeah, development dependency, like I said. Create a configure nodemon for a project. Defined. So we have to define what are the things that it needs to monitor. So such as like extensions, what you
I will be right back
back.
in
Yeah.
2 minutes, okay?
Yeah. Sure. Where should we define this? Create a node.json in your project. Okay, nodemon.json. We don't have a src by the way. Okay, let's create src. In that one, we'll just push our this move, save. Yeah, and in scripts we say nodemon.
Yep, I'm back.
Yeah,
So where are you?
excuse me. Yeah, so I created nodemon.json. It was suggested by ChatGPT. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And in package.json, in also I made a folder called src where I put server.js, so we
Mm-hmm.
can match with this one. But I think we need to also specify node1.json in
Kitten
our
file
define
name.
files or directories to watch for. I don't know how to define this in node and JSON. Well, let's see. First, at least describe our scripts. Okay, we already have a script, so we'll use start. And in the start we use node1 server.js, node1 server.js c slash.
It's giving error. Comma is missing after exit.
Yeah. Now I'm not very sure if npm start. Okay, it did start. It is okay. Okay, okay, okay. It is working perfectly now. So you can see it's listening. Yeah, everything is working fine, 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 fine.
It's working fine.
Yeah. Let's also check if we make any changes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it restarted the server. Yes,
Okay.
we made it. It's too crowded.
Watch not this.
Oh man, it's alright. Okay, nah, fine. Next thing we'll do is, yeah, we were trying to understand.
Can you go back to package.json for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, there's a delay at my end. I do not see line number 16, 17, and 18 at my end.
Really?
I can see your cursor, but I cannot see. Okay, no worries. You can continue. I think some
Are you
technical.
sure you're in package.json?
Yep.
Okay, could be. Can you type something in package.json?
1 second.
Yeah, 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 you can.
So, yeah.
No, it's okay. Cool then.
Okay,
Never mind.
let's continue.
So let's send this and let's see the issue. Okay, this is printing request. In the request response, okay, it's too big. We probably should not print the entire request. Dot. We were interested in request dot body. Yeah, we save it. Request dot body is undefined, so we are not getting anything in the
Body.
body.
So, we need to find out how to transfer things.
Let's try this. No, JSON.
Do we
Hmm.
need to assign
Let's try it here then.
body anything? Or by default, it gets the value?
Not sure, man. It says execute successfully, of course, but there is nothing in. So where are we getting? Let's. I mean, we should be getting it somewhere. It's too big. Incoming message. Oh, we can. We should be able to search. You know, like in the form data, we said name. So let's say we search for name. What? Where is the third name? Path name, host name, stock name. S- No, we are not getting. Where is the body? Body. We're not getting. So,
There is a thing, I think, app.express.json, which listens to the pass the body to the JSON listens and
or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm writing it. This should be body, and body is undefined.
it is saying that we need to parse the JSON, something like that. Can you open this
Yep.
stack for flow link?
Wait a second. We should be able to get body. There is no body defined at all. Yeah. Okay.
And this first line I saw in one of the chat GPT expressed code. We didn't write this code. So is that required line to
Mm,
parse?
wait. What is how to access request body when posting res.json? Okay. Parse request body as JSON. I don't know, man.
We can try it. We can use that extra
But
piece of code. Let's try it.
yeah,
Otherwise, we can delete
yeah,
it.
yeah. Wait.
Hmm.
And then here it just did request.body, but request our request body is coming as null,
Okay, now we can at least
even though we are
check.
using post only, right? Yeah.
Now we get empty JSON kind of body. So
Hmm.
we were not parsing through the. We should be listening or something parsing from that.
Ah, here we go.
It's same like opening a file and reading the
Yeah,
file,
yeah,
right?
right, right. Looks like it. Uh, let's try this one then.
Hmm. Okay, let's try it.
I forgot about this one.
In,
So all of them are undefined, even though we did. Oh,
we
okay.
didn't give the keys, right?
Name.
Name and whatever.
Okay, now it's
Nice.
working. Name, email, phone number, DOB class teacher. Email, GG. Let's give a meaningful name at least. Deepak at deepak.com. Phone number. What happened?
Mm-hmm.
The spelling is right. Okay. Uh,
Also, can you try with a different sequence? Like the first three are in sequence. Let's try the last two in different sequence if
yeah, that'll work.
sequence really matters or not.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's say class teacher, right?
Yeah, try with
Copy.
class teacher and DOB then.
Class teacher is Utkarsh. DOB is what?
Give anything random.
19, 11, 2000.
You are that young.
No, that was something else. 1911 is safe.
Okay,
Safe.
cool,
Safe.
cool.
That is safe.
Nice. So, oh, nice. So the sequence
Yeah,
does not
yeah,
matter,
it does not
and
matter.
so we are
Okay, so
getting the
we are missing
response. We
this.
need to operate on that response, no, on that data, and then
Yeah, so no, first we need to check if we are missing any of these. Then
uh,
we'll say tada bye bye. We need to, if if name equals to null or email equals to null, phone number.
also for undefined, right? You are using triple equal to it strictly checks for null.
Null and are not null and
Undefined
defined are same.
are different.
Let's just
I
see.
guess. Let me try it in a console. In the meantime, you can write the code. I'm just checking it. Oh, console log.
Uh, what are the status code for
Null and undefined with a strictly equal triple equal to is false.
uh, okay,
So you can use double
400.
equal or you need to give the undefined condition.
For now, we'll just say 400. 400 is
200 is
bad
a bad.
request.
400 is
400 is a
bad.
bad request. Okay.
Oh, okay. You are giving the bad for okay.
Dot not JSON. We will use okay JSON then.
Okay, and then the error message. Oh, cool. Hmm.
Error.
It's kind of easy. It's just syntax, kind of boiler code.
Yeah. It's, so we'll press save. How do we clear? Okay, never mind. So if we send everything, it says
Hmm.
error incomplete, which means it's so error undefined error.
Can you? What was the output?
It went inside. Incomplete data. What is it not getting? Let's start it in debug mode.
Name we have
So this should be false, right? We have email.
number.
I
DOP equal to DOP. Class teacher also.
Why did I write that?
You're still in debug mode.
It's saying error. Why? Oh, it's
Small mistakes.
yeah, happens.
C is still missing.
What is still missing?
Console line number.
What? Oh no,
Oh,
it's
oh, okay, okay. You scrolled. Okay.
yeah. User created successfully. Okay, but
Can
let's
we
say
test?
yeah.
Yeah.
Then it throws error. It says it cannot
Oh,
find something.
and how it looks in the website? There's HTML.
How? JSON dot parse. Oh, JSON itself was wrong. Incomplete data. Right.
Cool.
I, but I still think the triple null should also work.
Let's try.
Uh, triple null.
Null and undefined are two different things. So
Actually, we removed DOV, right? Yeah, you're right. So should we use undefined then? It can
yep.
also be null. Can it be null?
DOB, it's up to us what are the mandatory fields. Like
Okay,
it's up to
let's
the
use this. Yeah,
requirement, but we are creating a simple thing.
yeah.
So
Okay, never mind. So, what will we do once we pass the validation?
just
Will
we need to create a data set
this yeah
where
we'll
we
set
store all the.
let students equals to okay we are not using TypeScript. Next time we'll try to use TypeScript. That's a good one.
Okay, I don't know TypeScript, but we,
Ah,
we-
because
we'll
it
figure
it
it out.
checks for types, so
Yeah, yeah,
it's good.
it's a more restricted form of
Yeah, yeah,
JavaScript,
right,
right?
right, right.
Yeah.
Uh, so what we'll do is we'll push. No, we w- we want to create an ID and then
Mm-hmm.
push it, right?
Create an ID, and what was the next line you said?
And like, so we want to put this in key value pairs, right?
Okay, so we need to generate a random number with a fixed length, like four digit, three digit,
How
whatever we decide.
to create JavaScript map? Let's how to create a JavaScript map and insert in it. Ah, yes, right. My bad.
Yep.
Okay, const student const student equals to new map like this. Yep. And then, okay,
may need.
const uh, count equals 0. Oh,
We
it
don't
should be
don't
let because
we
I mean,
don't need that on the map thing. We do have a length, dot length or something. We can directly use that thing. How many
yeah, okay, okay, okay. But I think dot length is will be an expensive operation. So,
okay.
count or or will it be a count? No,
No,
no, it should not be right. There should be a property which, I mean, which will do the same thing which we are doing.
yeah, yeah. And even if we write how to count it,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that
Yeah,
piece of code will also.
yeah, it's okay then. Use this. What we will do is student dot insert or set size dot size comma dot body. Okay, it will put it like this, and then let's
Mm,
save it.
dot body will give so many things.
No, no,
Oh, dot body has only JSON. Okay, okay, cool.
yeah, right.
And dot size you are taking as a um, unique ID for the student.
Dot
Student
size
dot student, sorry, student
student
dot
is the
size.
map, so dot size will give the length.
Okay.
Okay, let's create app dot get slash the get method so we can actually test it. We'll use get all students. Okay, it will take request and response like this as a callback function.
Mm-hmm.
Since it's just a get, we'll just say res dot.
Status.
Oh yeah.
Status and the
No, we
uh,
are just sending. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
we are
Uh,
getting the
no,
data. So we
if
need
it
to
is,
provide the response.
how do we provide the response? By the way, let's see how do. Let's see how does it work.
Where did you see that send? Can okay, I can also check. Okay, you can continue. I can also check the.
It's not like this. Student dot no JSON dot stringify. No, how do parse
Send.
convert a map to JSON objects? JavaScript convert map to string. No, JSON object. Okay. Array dot from my map reduce key value and then stringify. It will convert it into a string, but this is a JSON object. Okay, copy this. Uh, in the map from student, object QL is fine. Are you sure this will work? Let's hope so.
Let's try.
Yeah, okay. TOP 10, 12. Okay, and then we send. Okay, good. And then we do get. You will write the next one. Okay, get single student
In the website?
in the code.
Oh, okay, cool.
Let this one be post. Get. Yeah, we got this. Yes, okay.
Mm,
Let's send one more as a what? Utkarsh.
give
Uh,
anything random. User basic. So now we should get two records, and we are getting it right.
yeah, we are getting it right.
Cool.
Now, what you will do is get, yeah, here.
So we implemented create student, get all student. Okay.
Now let's try with the parameters, query parameters. So we'll get the student with its ID. Yeah, let's try with ID only. App.get. You can type, right?
No, yeah. What I need to do? Like
So
what I
yeah,
need to.
you need to create an endpoint for this one. Get student with an ID.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Cool. Let's write first the boiler code, then we'll figure it out. Okay.
yeah.
So this will be same dot colon or question mark.
Not sure, man. We
Okay.
can try ChatGPT.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ask. In the meantime,
Expeditious. Yeah, you can see my screen though.
yep.
Yeah. So this is how you can do. This should be normal, like get student. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the query, you will
Mm.
extract it. Request dot query.
Oh, okay, cool. So question mark name. So whatever
Yeah,
value we
right.
give,
You see,
like suppose
like this.
Deepak, so name equal to will be
Yeah,
Deepak. Oh,
yeah, right. So ID equals to ID. Question mark. So get student, not all student. I'll just
yeah, yeah, yeah.
correct it for you, or you can copy and paste it from
I
it.
will do it.
Yeah. 'Too. Yeah. 'Too. 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 ' Get student, that's right.
12.
Okay. Const. Oh, we are not taking name, we are taking ID. Yeah.
To res dot query
Request.
q
From the request, it's from the request, not from the response. Yeah. Query. Right. Now let's,
and
for now,
num
let's just console log. Not, yeah, okay, we can console log the ID, that's right. And comment out line number 40.
and
Don't know,
number 40. Oh, yeah.
we are not sending anything. Good. Just save it. Great. So let's try it. Get student.
Question mark. So in my case, 0 and 1, we have two records. So it will be my.
No, now the app is restarted. Oh, it is not sending anything, so yeah, but it got one. Okay, so for now it works.
Oh, so we we lost our data.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. We can just create our data again.
Okay, cool. You can run this same thing twice at least.
Yeah,
Oh, just change the name or nothing else.
it's okay. No, also we did not even, we are not sending anything, so it is actually waiting for the response, but we are not sending anything right now. So now that now we confirm that okay, we are getting ID. Okay,
Okay.
so now you need to get the object and send it. So to get the object, we use student.get and the ID.
Student dot get ID this way, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Wait, I will cut this out. Looks cool, right?
I'm not sure.
Let's
We'll see. So user created successfully. Let's get all the students. We are getting the student. I come here and send, and we got nothing. So that's not.
we need to console log then what we are getting from student dot get data.
Yeah.
1 second. E- mhm. You can run it. Let's
So
see.
I'll just create a student, get student, and then and it says undefined.
Oh, so
Okay, so maybe
let's see how to find.
no,
uh,
hold on. So the ID is, so this one is actually a string. So maybe okay, let's try this. ID dot type, nee, type of ID. Okay,
mhm.
I think it's yeah, the mismatch.
What it says.
It says test. What did I do? Oh, my bad. I am
So what I missed?
actually in the response end, I wrote type of ID. So I had to write it in the console log.
Okay.
And now I see, it's a string. And our key is actually an integer, not a string.
We need
So
to typecast.
yeah, right. You know how to do that?
I think bracket int, not int. Okay. Let me
Try it.
search it. There's a background noise from my end.
Yep,
Okay.
it's okay. String to number. Right. Okay, capital number, and then
It's just a function.
yeah, you're going to write it. Yeah,
Yep.
do it. Yeah. Oh no, let's also console log and see.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, now we're getting. Oh, yeah, now we're also
Voila.
getting it.
Yes.
Okay, so now this one is done. Get, we are able to get student with the ID.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
Now what we'll do is,
Let's
uh,
take a break.
now we'll just write the deleted list. Deleted short. I'll just do it. Okay.
Okay.
Let's just take a look because I don't know. To me, I can do this in Get as well. I think I can do this in Get as well. So let's
Where did you
write
saw that deleted function? That
delete
app dot delete?
app dot delete. No, I thought okay, if there's a Get first, should be and there should be delete as well. Express right. And if I can do it in the Get method, what is the point of delete? We'll see later on. Delete. Let's also search for it. Why do we use put method when we can also use post method to update? It's still thinking. Have I exhausted all my? Okay, I have not. User delete. See, that's
Um,
what it is doing. Params ID.
I need to go out.
Okay,
My flatmate is asking me to let's go out and have dinner.
all right, all right. Yeah, okay, cool. We'll continue later on then.
We can continue in the night or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
suitable time you can. Okay.
sure,
Okay.
sure. All right. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.